Welcome to KM Autos, your home for next-level car reviews where power, style, and innovation collide. If you crave the future of driving and love every detail of what makes a car iconic, then you're in the right place. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon because today we're going to explore a premium SUV that blends elegance, technology, and everyday usability into one beautiful machine, the 2025 Audi Q5. Audi has been setting benchmarks in the luxury SUV segment for years, and the 2025 Q5 continues that legacy with a refreshed design, cutting-edge tech, and a new sense of refinement. It's not trying to scream for attention, instead, it speaks the language of confidence. It's the kind of vehicle that turns heads quietly but leaves a strong impression long after it's gone. Let's start with the exterior. The 2025 Audi Q5 gets subtle yet meaningful design enhancements. The front fascia now looks more sculpted with a wider grille, reshaped air intakes, and sharper LED matrix headlights that not only improve visibility but also add a futuristic look. The daytime running lights have a new signature pattern that instantly lets people know this is the latest generation. From the side, the profile remains unmistakably Audi. Smooth character lines, flush door handles, and a slightly sportier stance give the Q5 a dynamic appearance. New wheel designs up to 21 inches add more aggression and style, while the overall height and proportions remain perfect for daily usability. Around back, the taillights have been redesigned with new OLED lighting elements. These offer customizable animations and improved brightness. A subtle roof spoiler and a revised rear bumper complete the modern look, making the Q5 look as premium as it feels on the inside. Speaking of the inside, Audi has taken its minimalist luxury approach to the next level in the 2025 Q5. The cabin is more refined, more high-tech, and more connected. Step inside and you're greeted by a completely digital cockpit with a new curved display that houses both the instrument cluster and infotainment system in one seamless panel. The infotainment system runs on Audi's latest MIB4 platform, offering faster response times, better graphics, and advanced voice controls. Navigation is smoother, menus are intuitive, and everything is easier to use whether you're the driver or passenger. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, and there's an upgraded Bang & Olufsen sound system that transforms the interior into a mobile concert hall. Comfort is king in the Q5. The seats are supportive yet luxurious, available in premium leather with contrast stitching and optional ventilation and massage functions. The rear seats are spacious enough for adults to relax on long journeys, and the boot space is generous, perfect for luggage, groceries, or adventure gear. Under the hood, the 2025 Audi Q5 offers multiple powertrain options. The base model starts with a turbocharged 2-liter 4-cylinder engine producing around 265 horsepower, paired with Audi's smooth shifting 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. Quattro all-wheel drive comes standard, giving you confidence in all driving conditions. For those who crave more power and efficiency, Audi offers a plug-in hybrid variant. This combines the same 2-liter engine with an electric motor for a combined output of over 360 horsepower. It also offers up to 70 kilometers of all-electric range, making it perfect for city commutes without using a drop of fuel. You get power when you want it and efficiency when you need it. The ride quality is exactly what you'd expect from Audi: smooth, balanced, and quiet. Adaptive dampers adjust in real time to road conditions, and the optional air suspension delivers a cloud-like experience, especially on longer trips. The steering is precise, cornering is confident, and the Q5 never feels too big or bulky. It's an SUV that drives like a car but handles like a pro. In terms of safety and driver assistance, the 2025 Q5 comes loaded. You get adaptive cruise control with stop and go, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, 360-degree cameras, automatic emergency braking, and even a predictive efficiency assistant that reads the road and suggests when to lift off the throttle to save fuel. There's also an available hands-free parking system that lets the car steer itself into tight spaces while you supervise. Night vision assist and cross-traffic alerts make driving in busy or low-light conditions much safer. Everything has been thought through to make your life easier and your drive safer. What truly makes the 2025 Audi Q5 special is how effortlessly it blends performance, practicality, and premium feel. It's not just for executives or families, it's for anyone who values quality, style, and smart engineering. Whether you're heading to a meeting, a weekend escape, or just running errands, the Q5 fits into your life perfectly without compromise. Pricing for the 2025 Audi Q5 starts around $48,000 for the base model and goes up as you climb through trims and options. The plug-in hybrid and sportier S-line versions cost more, but you get significant upgrades in performance and features. Audi also offers tons of customization, from wheel designs and exterior colors to interior materials and tech packages. You can really build a Q5 that feels like it was made just for you. To sum it all up, the 2025 Audi Q5 is more than just a luxury SUV. It's a smart, stylish, and forward-thinking vehicle that checks all the right boxes. It gives you elegance without arrogance, tech without confusion, and power without waste. In a world full of choices, the Q5 remains a standout, a car that's just as comfortable being your daily driver as it is being your escape machine. If you're looking for a vehicle that brings together performance, innovation, and undeniable class, then the 2025 Audi Q5 should definitely be at the top of your list. It's not loud, but it's proud. It's not over-designed, but it's perfectly refined. It's exactly what a luxury SUV should be. Thanks for riding with us on KM Autos. If you love this deep dive into the 2025 Audi Q5, don't forget to like, comment your thoughts, and hit subscribe for more detailed reviews on the most exciting cars from around the world. Until next time, stay fast, stay focused, and stay inspired.